Okay, so today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to harvest your distilled water easily, or yielding your distilled water. Now this video is for the people who make their own distilled water with distilled walling machines. All you have to do is just bring your water to a boil. When this is almost full, you bring that to a boil. And what you're doing is you're just helping it to heat up the water. That's it. So as you can see, I'm almost done with this right here. The water levels right up to here now. Okay, you can see it's moving. So now I'm heating up my next batch and I'm waiting it for it to boil. And it's boiling right now. So I can shut the heat off. And then I'm going to take that boiling water and dump into here. Now the reason why we're doing this is because it takes too long for this to heat the cold water up. So all we're doing is just helping it to heat it up. That's all. So by doing this, you're going to eliminate the time in here. And by doing that, you'll be able to yield things faster. So all you have to do is just take your cold water, heat it up. And when this is almost filled or full, that's when you drop it in. Okay, and that's how you yield your distilled water, or yielding your own, or making your own distilled water fast. This is the fastest way I found out, and this is the easiest and fastest way, is to help it. And by doing that, you are actually yielding more. And so that's how I do it. By doing that, I can yield a lot faster than just conventional, just dump it in here. All it does is take a few minutes for it to boil. It can take an hour to, honestly, it can take like an hour to boil that. So that's the secret I've learned. That all you have to do is just boil the water, help it, and then dump it in there and let the machine does this work again. And then when it's almost filled up, what you do again, you would get a new pot, heat it up, and put this into your storage tank. And then you get to yield more. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video, and I hope this video is helpful to the people who yield their own distilled water, because this is the fastest and quickest and easiest way I know how to actually help it. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video, and I will see you in the next video.